Hi, I'm Fidel Lopez, and I'm recording part B of the chapter number 7 about gluttony. And these are the questions. Read number 1. Read the statements and write true or false. Number 1. Obese people are only a little overweight. The opposite. They are overweight. Obese people. 2. So that's false. 2. A gluten eats too much. Yeah, a gluten eats a lot. More than necessary. 3. Being overweight causes hearing problems. That's false. Being overweight causes blood pressure problems, heart problems, diabetes. So it's not about hearing, but heart problems and blood. Number 4. Food is less expensive than it was before. It's true. The food is less expensive in the developing countries. Sedentary people, number 5. Sedentary people are very active. No, it's false. It's the opposite. They are very inactive. They do not move too much or do physical activities. Number 6. We eat more because there is more food. Yes, one of the reasons is true. And the food is cheaper, again, in the developing countries. Part B. Answer the questions. What are the 2 main reasons why so many people are overweight? Because the food is cheaper than before, there is more food, people use many devices that help them to do the chores in the houses. What else? They don't they don't walk to work or to school, not anymore, they drive. So those are part of the main reasons. The education about eating healthy is one of the problems too. 2. Name some labor-saving devices. The vacuum, the robot vacuum cleaner is one. The leaf blower is another one. The dishwasher, etc. Those devices help us to do nothing in the house, to make our life simple, but make us sedentary. Number 2, reading 2. Read the statement and write true or false. Number 1, starving people are overweight. No, it's the opposite. They are underweight. Starving, hungry people. 2, malnutrition is the same as malnourishment. Is true, as the definition. Starvation is decreasing. Yeah, in the developing countries, it is decreasing. So it's true. 4. About 1.1 billion people are starving. Yeah, it's true. 1.1 people are starving and 1.1 people are overweight. 5. Obesity is increasing faster than starvation is decreasing. Yeah, the obesity is increasing faster because the food nowadays is cheaper, the kind of life we are having nowadays, etc. So the starvation is increasing but slower than the obesity. Analyze. Answer the questions, give reasons for your answers. Number 1. What kind of problems does obesity cause? Health problems. Cause that. Because of the diabetes, the blood pressure, the heart condition when you're obese. Okay? Obese. So when you're fat, overweight, can cause problems. Number 2. Compare the statistics in the 2 readings. Are they the same? They are kind of similar about the obesity that is increasing, and the years to come will be even worse if we don't change the road. Number 3. How does wealth cause obesity? When you have a lot, is by this human condition, obviously you will eat more. So it's one of the main problems about these situations. 4. Is starvation a problem in rich countries? No anymore. Is decreasing in these countries. Exist yet there, but there are countries who says that in the year 2030 the starvation will be just 6% of the population. So this problem is decreasing. Then we have talk about your ideas on page 83. What can each of these groups in the chart do to help people eat healthy food? The individual adults to educate younger people to eat less, parents by educating children and giving them healthy food, children by listening to parents, the government by creating programs of healthy life and nutrition, doctors by giving the patients full diet, healthy diet, schools by educating and teaching students, the food manufacturers by putting on the label the correct carbohydrates, calories that we inherit, that we get, advertisers by promoting a healthy life, and the restaurants by serving better food. Then, number two, not everyone agrees that obesity is a social problem. Do you agree or disagree with the opinion below? Uh, I disagree. I think that obesity is a social problem. There's a paragraph. Look out for the food police. They are attacking a traditional American meal, a cheeseburger, an order of French fries, and a large soda. A Yale University professor wants to have a special tax on high-calorie foods such as French fries. The Center for Science is in the public interest wants to put warning labels on soft drinks. Such acts are taking away our freedom of choice. Obesity is a social problem. As long as people are dying for this cause, while overweight, this is a social problem. We should promote better healthy life, like doing activities, exercises, eating healthy fruits, vegetables more than before. In that case, we can have longer life in good conditions. So this is my recording for this important lesson about gluttony. Bye.